We would like to introduce you to the latest additions to the Wahl and Sterling line of professional clippers, the Stinger and the Rapid Fire. These clippers are scheduled for introduction to the professional community in the United States very soon. Both clippers are full-powered rotary motor units that are very similar in design and function. This DVD is being provided to help you to know and understand your clipper and all of its features and benefits. The more you know about your clipper, the better you will be able to realize its full potential. With proper care and maintenance, your clipper should provide you with many years of reliable service. These clippers are ergonomically designed. You will notice that they feature waistlines, making them easier to grip and relieving stress caused by using the tool for long periods of time. The black portion of the clipper is made from a soft-touch, rubberized material that prevents it from slipping from your hand. On the underside of the clipper, at the waistline, we have added small strips of the same material to assist you in handling the clipper during haircuts. The clipper features a metal loop at the end for hanging the unit from a hook when not in use. The cord is attached to the clipper with a special swivel device to prevent it from tangling. The switch at the end of the clipper turns it on and off and rotates to adjust the clipper blade speed depending on your needs and preferences. This switch can be operated with your pinky finger as is demonstrated in the video, allowing non-stop operation using only one hand. The blade speed for this clipper varies from 2400 to 4000 RPMs. Obviously, you would not need the fastest speed for most of your work. The faster speeds should be reserved for very thick or bulk hair removal. Most people find that a slower speed actually works well or better with most haircuts. Also, slower speeds will allow the blades to run cooler than constant operation at high speeds. This clipper features detachable blades. Similar blades are marketed by Oster for their Model 76 and Titan and Andis for their BG series of clippers. Neither Oster nor Andis are associated with Wahl, and the names 76, Titan, and BG are registered trademarks for those companies, respectively. To remove the blades, simply turn off the clipper and press the blade forward with your thumb, as is being demonstrated. The blade can then be slid directly off the blade hinge. When replacing the blade, slide it back over the blade hinge while the clipper is in the off position. Then, turn the clipper on and snap the blade into place. It is necessary to have the clipper running during this step in order to properly seat it in the clipper. Sometimes, during the blade replacement procedure, you might find that the hinge has closed and you have no blade on the unit. If this happens, simply insert the tip of a screwdriver behind the hinge like a lever, then give it a slight twist to pry the hinge forward into the open position. One of the unique features of this clipper is its patented drive finger mechanism. The bearing for this drive finger is permanently lubricated at the factory and never needs to be oiled or greased. With the blade removed from the clipper, you will notice the small white plastic piece at the tip of the drive finger. This drive finger tip is engineered to last up to 10 times longer than any standard tip that you might have become accustomed to. This drive finger tip is easily replaceable by you in the shop or salon. Wahl has provided a small tool with spare tips attached to assist you in this procedure and demonstrated in the video. This tool might remind you of a fuse puller, and it operates in much of the same way. Just place the tool around the tip that you wish to be replaced, squeeze it gently, and pull. The old tip will slip from the drive finger. Then put one of the replacement tips onto the tool and simply press it on the end of the drive finger. This procedure is now being demonstrated on your video. To clean the outside case of the clipper, make sure it is off and unplugged. Then use a soft cloth, dampen with rubbing alcohol, and wipe the surface clean. To access the drive finger cavity, remove the chromed cowl on the front of the clipper. To do this, simply unscrew the small screw on the underside of the clipper as shown, and pull the cowl free. On the top of the clipper, you will notice a small trapdoor, or in very early models, a strip of tape. Remove the tape or door, exposing the drive finger cavity. Empty any loose hairs that might have entered this cavity by turning the clipper upside down and gently tapping the clipper against your hand or some other surface until the hair falls free from the unit. To reassemble, just reverse this procedure. Your clipper has been designed for performance and for your comfort and convenience. Many of the electronics have been removed from the clipper and replaced inside the small transformer to reduce its weight. You will find that this clipper is much lighter than many comparable competitive units. After using it for a full day, you will greatly appreciate this feature. Blade Ice, blade lubricant and cooler. A short spray will help to keep your blades operating at a lower temperature. Cliniclip, a hospital-grade disinfectant that kills germs and viruses on contact, including hepatitis B, C, HIV, and tuberculosis viruses. Use Cliniclip between every haircut by spraying a short burst onto the clipper blade. Clipper oil. While the clipper is running and after using Cliniclip, place a small drop of oil on the top blade. Then, turn the clipper off and wipe the blade with a soft, clean towel to remove any excess oil. Stainless steel, spring-loaded attachment combs. Attachment combs made specifically for the triple-aught, OA, number 1, and 1A blade that fits on this clipper, regardless of brand name or manufacturer. These combs operate much smoother than plastic combs and will not snag in the hair. They are a very effective and economical way to expand your blade cutting length capabilities without having to invest in a large assortment of very expensive blades. In addition, these combs provide much longer cutting lengths than any current blade on the market that fits these clippers. These combs are color-coded by size and come with a free comb organizer. Blades. Wahl manufactures a total of 13 different blades for this clipper, from our close trimming 5/0 to the 3 3/4 size. In addition, we have specialty blades for texturing and a speed feed blade that allows you to move through the hair faster, that gives you a rougher cut. These blades are guaranteed to perform as well as or outperform any comparable blade on the market. In addition, we also make an OA modified blade that is designed strictly for flat tops and afros. This blade should never be used by a non-professional and should never be allowed to touch the skin, as the bottom blade is razor sharp. We hope that this video will assist you in operating your new clipper and will help you make the most of its many unique features. Your satisfaction with our products is the only reason we are able to stay in business, and the only reason we have been such an integral part of the barber salon industry since 1919. Handheld, electronic powered professional clippers all started here at Wahl. We wish to continue our record of service, reliability, and product innovation for years to come. Best of luck with your new clipper, and thanks for your loyalty and support.